Okay. This is January 18th, day after Martin Luther King holiday. We're gonna get right in it. We want to look at a few stocks. The market is doing what the market do. Right now, it's going down because of whatever. Either somebody's saying something, or I haven't really analyzed it. But like I said, it's time to go shopping again. I got a little money, but we're gonna see what I do. But first of all, we want to really start off sharing our screen. I don't know why Livy's smiling. We losing a little bit of money, but that's okay. We're gonna start this week off, but we know what our goal is for the year. We know what our priorities and we know what our goals are. So we're gonna share our screen. First of all, we're gonna go into our little tool. We'll a few stocks. We're gonna look at a few good stocks that I picked up. First of all, FDA approved this one, so I bought 100. Even though I didn't look into it, I bought 100. FDA approved this surgical AI today, and it's going down. So what I did, I picked it up. I bought 100 shares. It's only 79 cents, and it's down. It was up earlier about 12%. Now it's down. So we're gonna look at it. It's trading 81% below its estimated value. Let's see what its estimated value is. Its estimated value is $4 or something. It's selling right now at 79 cents. So I picked it up. So it's on the NASDAQ. So I picked this one up. It's down. I might go back and get about 1,000 of them now, since I know this should be about $4. Financial health is pretty good. You can see it's no debt. Debt over 5 years is debt free or whatever. So I'm leaving that there. That was a good buy. 400 shares, 79 cents. So I picked it up. And I'm seeing what the other CEO getting paid a lot of money. So we're going to look at that one real quick. And then we're going to, the board members, experience board, they saying it's not that much of an experience board. And it's not, the CEO is not experienced, but he's making a little money. So I leave it up. People been buying. That's what I wanted to see. Nobody has not been buying. Those shares has been sold for. There's over a million. Son, let's see how many institutions is on this thing. Okay, look at all the folks been buying. Okay, these are insiders. Let's see what kind of institutions on 39%. So I did get a good stock. Okay, 48% general public. So I'm part of that 48% now. So let's see who the big boys is up. Vanguard is up there again. I like two people, Vanguard and BlackRock, but BlackRock may not be on this one. Let's see if it is. So yeah, it is. It's here. Okay, so they got about 1 million shares. So I know I got a good stock. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that one alone. It should be a little higher, so I'm gonna go back in and put some more money on that one after I sell a few losers. Not losers, I can say a few that hasn't been producing. Okay, so that's a good one. Let me look at this LDI. LDI, this one I picked up because a lot of good news about it. They've been trading 85% below again. This company is engages in originating and servicing of conventional and government mortgage loans in the United States. So people buying mortgage. So they're selling 85% below. So that's why I picked this one up. Just to see what it is down today. It's up. It's about 12% up today. So it should be about $32. I picked it up for $5. So I did a good, it's financially it's solid. Okay, let's see what's going on with it. Past performance is doing good. It's got a little debt. Debt got to be taken care of. Debt to equity is not good. Dividends, they give a dividend. That's why I picked it up, because they were giving dividends. Okay, they give dividends. It was under $5 at the time they were giving dividends. So I said, let me pick this thing up. Okay, and look how many people. Me, and I might go out and buy some more. It's $5. So look at how many. Somebody's in the last 3 months has really been buying this stuff. Let's see. Back in November. This is January. This guy bought 1 million of them. Who is this? It's probably the CEO. He knows what's going on. He's an insider. Look at who owns it. Oh, general public only owns the 19%. Everything else is owned by firms. So yeah, I did a good thing. I bought a good stock, and you can see who holds that stock. Like I say, it's insiders. BlackRock got a little bit of it. But yeah, these guys, Morgan Stanley got a little bit of it. You know, Morgan Stanley got a lot of brokerage for them. So I got 100 of them. So I see I've got two big good deals today. That's again LCI. It's only I got it at $5. It was going down, so I'm buying a little bit more of them. So we'll see what happens in a few minutes, and let's see what else I want to see. I want to also see real quickly. I want to see NC. This is another dividend one that I'm picking up. This one is a subsidy of National Cin Media. It's a media stock, cinema advertising network in North America. Okay, it's selling at 64% below its estimated value. I think I bought it at $3 today. You know, it was up about 5%. I bought it at $3, so I bought 100 of them. See, I just tested them out and see what. See, it should be about $7 a share. So I double my money in the long run. So I'm good at what I bought today. They're doing good. You can see return on equity. Let's see, the financial health is not so good, so that's okay. You know, because they're in debt, reducing debt, and all this other good stuff. So I might have to get out of this quickly. Dividends, they do pay dividends. You know, dividends, you know, they pay you. Okay, so that's what you want in the stock market versus, you know, compensation. They're doing pretty good. Experienced board. People been selling it. That's not good, but let me check and see what Wise. This guy right here sold 11 million of them. But this is institutional stock. That's why I picked it up. You know, hedge funds on it, insiders. General public on about 37% of the stock. And Vanguard got a lot of them, and BlackRock got about them. You know, these guys got about $11 million in your pensions in this thing. So I still think I got two good stocks today. So let's go to mine. It's about I got about another 15 minutes or less. We're gonna try to see. Let's share and stop. We ain't gonna stop sharing. We're gonna reshare this thing. Let's see what we doing, because the market is really doing crazy today. So don't get scared. I didn't lose that much money, but the big boys always lose. When the market go down, the big boys, when they go with earnings and stuff, they go down. So, okay, FAMI, they starting to back up a little bit, but not that much. They went as high as like 23 cents today. Right now, they back down a little bit. So that's okay. I let them. They want to go at this point in time. This is going to be my money maker right here. I think I got a good price right here at 22 cents. Apple is down. When Apple's down, then everything's down. Apple is trying to come back. I believe that Apple made money last year. See, everything is those big ones that's pulling me. You know, look, Microsoft is down. The one I just bought is starting to go down a little bit. That's okay. I bought it. NVIDIA is down. You know, SAVA is down. All those are the big boys. So, but I'm keeping my seed in the ground. XERX is up a little bit, and this one, you know, they sold it. A company came a billionaire, bought $1 billion for this company. So I'm just waiting to see if they got any more growth in this thing. Supposed to go to $9. Bought at $6 and go to $9. They said they're gonna go to $3, and then they gonna give them an additional $3. So we'll see what happens. So I'm down there about $600. That's okay. It's all we got all week. I'm not gonna worry about that. That's my cash account because I took a lot of it out. Let's go to the next one. This is my personal account. That was my business account. Look, my personal account is really down. So that's all right. That's when I told you I bought the SRGA, and I bought it at 79 cents. It's back up at 80 cents. Remember, today they just was approved. FDA just approved these guys. So I said I buy 100. I said $79. I said, okay, I'll buy it. I told you I don't get rattled anymore. I just I keep my seed in the ground and let it do what it do. I can sell out all these, but as soon as I sell it, they start going. Fuel cell is even down $4. You know, okay. So I believe I got 300 of fuel cells, so I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm not going to, I'm gonna see what I do this year. Okay, everything is down, except let's go to the winners. The winner is that's my margin account. I got three. I got AT&T, and I got this EPD company in their shares. You know, this company. Let me go ahead and show you what this company EPD. Let me reshare. Okay, let me show you what the EPD. Let me show you what EPD is about. Okay, Enterprise Products Partner. What do they do? Enterprise Partners, they provide midstream energy services to produce consumers natural gas, liquid gas, and crude oil, and this petrochemical and refined products. Okay, they're trading 37% below his estimated value. So these guys should be around $38. I bought it for $20. I think I bought it for $22 or whatever. We'll see when I go back in. But you can see this one has been doing pretty good. That's why I haven't sold out of it. This gives dividends too. Past performance is decent. Earnings is decent. Financial health, we got a few negatives. So you know they got a lot of debt levels. They say it's too high. So we're gonna leave that alone. Reducing debt, they have debt coverage. They got enough to interest. They got enough to cover their debt. Dividends, they give dividends, so that's why I picked them up. They give about 7% dividends. And let's see what else. I looked at the CEO. Everybody's looking good. He makes about $10 million a year. That's why I think I picked him up, because if he can make it $10 million, he owns a lot. He owns a little bit of stock. He owns about $10.65 million. Well, he get $10 million compensation, which is 10% of something. Let's see what the shares price. He probably got shares. Look at it. Nothing. Nobody's selling them. Everybody's buying. Okay, let's look who owns the stock. General public own 40. Private companies own about 32%. Institutions own 27%. So who is these institutions? You got Blackstone. You got BlackRock own about $500 million worth of this thing. So they own $500 million. Don't you think I should own a little bit of it as an energy company? Okay. Goldman Sachs and the rest of these guys. This is the bottom list. That's why I picked them up. They own, and I said I got me a good share. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna stop sharing. Reshare again with a new share. Okay. This is the winner of the day. Is this one right here, folks? Remember I showed you this one. This one owns about as a lot of institutions own this one. This was another natural gas and all these other guys. But it was only 33. I bought it 33 cents. It went up to 36 cents. I got about 12,000 of it. I went in, and I made about $400 off this. I only had this for a week. I can sell this one out and make $400. But you know, this is on my margin account. But I have some cash in there. See, the thing is, I took all my money except for about I got $15,000 in here, the account value, and I got 8 of it in the market. I bought these 3. So my account value is up to $15,000, but I got about this much cash to use when I want to use it. I already bought what I wanted to buy. I sold out of the OWUV last week, and I'm pretty sure this one is down. Let's see if it's down. I might pick it back up and go for another run. So yeah, that's back down 16%. So you think I should go for another run at this thing? Because this one is pretty good. They got a pretty good product. So let's see if I can make some more money. Why don't I buy about 3,000, about 5,000 of these? Let's see how much it'll cost me. If I buy 5,000 at this 18 cents, because I sold out when it was about 30-some cents last week. I made $400. I might lose. Let's see. I might. It's $900. Yeah. Let's see what happens. I'm putting myself on the line right now. I think everything will cover. I think this one's gonna go back up this week. Let's see. Let's go ahead and buy it. Okay. Let's see what happens. I got 5,000 of them. And let's see. Okay. Yeah. See, it's popping up already a little bit. Let's see what happens this week. Like I say, I'm making it went down about that's a good price at this point. That 5,000 for 18 cents. Like I say, last week I sold out of that particular one. But I'm believing everything. I leave all my seed in the ground. This one is doing good. This is the winner for the day. You know, I'm going to put up there TUWOY. It's 36 cents. I bought it for 33 cents. And this is the one that mostly 90% of the institutions on this one. Let me reshare just to put it in there, just to show you that I'm not trying to fool nobody. Okay, I'm going to reshare, and I'm gonna put that one in. This one is TUWOY. Let's see what's happening with this one. This is the American one. Is that the one? TUWOY. This one. Okay. This is OTC stock. Okay. Yeah, this is the one that oil engaged in oil exploration, development in Africa and South America. So I say, why is these guys on an 18 cent stock, 33 cent stock? So you can see it's been volatile. This thing has been up, down, 40 cents. It went as high as 40 cents. But look, over the year, it made 78% more. See? It should be about 34 cents. So it's about, is they saying it's overvalued right now? Let's see. I bought it, and its past performance is pretty good. And I just want to take it, debt level is high, reducing debt. That's what they have to do. But what draw my eyes to this particular one was who was on it. 67%. They got 956 million shares is in institutions' hands. General public only got 13%. 10% is private company insiders and employee share scheme. Employee share schemes. Look at that. Look at these folks that's on this guy. You got Vanguard on it. You got all these folks. And like I say, they got a lot of institutions on this thing. So I picked it up. Got in BlackRock, got 33 million shares, $11 million. So they said, hey, they are buying. They take some money, and it's probably not government money. They probably said, okay, but this first one got 129 million shares on this thing. Got put $44 million in there. So they know that they money. Vanguard got 47 million shares on it. So I just wanted to show you that who's on this stock. That's why I picked it up. And you can see just in a day, it went up to 33 cents. Let's see if it goes up higher. Let's see if it goes to $1. This is like, say, this is an OTC stock. But I got 12,000 shares. And like I say, they exploration. So they over there in Africa and South America. So they got that good crude over there in Africa and South America. So let's see what happens with that. Now, I'm going to do a new share and go back to see what these guys are doing today. And I'm going to keep my seed in the ground and see if this goes up to 40 cents. And I might sell out at 40 cents. This one right here is still 18 cents. I'm going to see what it does this week. And I'm going to see what the rest of these do. AT&T is doing what it's supposed to do. So all together, I'm not doing too well today, but that's okay. I'm keeping my seed in the ground. Tomorrow's another day. It was a short week. Let's see if this thing, that one is really, really producing. And I got FAMA, they're not producing as well again. They up a little bit, but they've got to move forward. This one right here, you remember it never got past 2. It had 2 and 1, now it's 2 and 3. So maybe this one is trying to tell me something. It's time to move forward. Let's see if this one I got 1 million shares on. Okay, this is the one that got that. Maybe they had good earnings, but they look like they're starting to creep up. This one creep up to $1. If it creeps up to just a cent, a penny, I'd have made a little money. So I'm gonna keep my seed in the ground. Let's see what happens if we can get to a penny on that one. Okay, Apple is Apple is going down a little bit, so I'm gonna keep my seed in the ground on Apple. SAVA is not doing too well. They went down. This was tomorrow is another day, and we'll see what happens, and see if next Friday. We're starting off the week with 79,000. See, it's been going backwards. It went from 80 to, but I've been moving money around, moving money out. I got a little money still sitting over here so I can cash power that I can use when I see one of these runners. But like I say, you notice that my little ones are the ones that's doing the most of the damage, not the big ones. XEVX still got 2,000 shares. They got earnings in March. And FAMA, let's see if we can get past it. January has not been a good month so far for stocks, but I think something's gonna run this week. That's my opinion. Don't go by my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, but I have some good things. I might take some out by the end of this week because I'm gonna let them, and then I'm just keep them out for about a month. When I take them out now, I'm gonna keep you out for about a month. But I picked up a few good ones today, and let's see what happens when that happens. Let's see what happens when that really all these start producing probably tomorrow. Maybe it's the correction in the market, but even Dow Jones is down about 5. Earnings are starting to come in, and then probably 2021 was not a good year. But let's see what happens. Okay, it's 4 o'clock. Let's get ready to get 4 o'clock. And I lost about 7. I'm about down about 1,000. I've been there before. Overall, total gain this year, I lost about $5,000 this year. So that you can tell I was about 83. Started the year with 83,000. Like I'm going backwards, but I'm not going backwards. What you see is not reality. What you don't see is reality. What you see in the ground, you look at the ground when you plant a seed. Hey, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Okay, 721. I'm down in every area now. I'm down everywhere. Except for a few good seeds that's starting to sprout a little bit. We're gonna see what happens. Okay. Livy laughs, so out of the mouth of babes. Let's see what happens. Stop sharing. Out of the mouth of babes. She's happy, so she must know something that I don't know. Maybe the spirit is whispering in her ear. You don't worry about it. He's your grandpa. He's doing a great job, and he's getting ready to make you some money. Okay, we're gonna end it. So God bless you. God keep you. God cause his face to shine upon you. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just doing what you do. I'm just taking my little bit of money and investing it in some good stock. When the stock goes down, you go shopping. When it's in the red, that means there's some good stocks out there. Microsoft is a good stock. Just bought a company, and the company shot up. So Microsoft is buying gaming. So I got to keep my little bit of seed in the ground for Microsoft. But those, when they go down, they really hurt the pocket. You got a little money, put it in, and just don't look at it. I'm just showing you how the market works. That's all I'm doing. And I'm doing it the old-fashioned way. I'm not doing it with all these options and puts and all this other stuff. But that's okay. It works for a lot of folk. But right now, I'm old-fashioned. I like to put it in the ground, and then I like my cash. I do have margin. I like my cash. Take it out when necessary. God bless you. See you Friday, if the Lord will. Bye-bye.